Today we'll be sharing an incredible recipe for shrimp teriyaki. And as part of that recipe, you're going to learn how to make your very own homemade teriyaki sauce. Let's go. To get started, you're just going to need a small sauce pot. Start by adding 1/4 cup of your favorite soy sauce, 1/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Next will be 1 heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. Alright, that's probably a little more than a tablespoon, but that's fine. You need lots of garlic. And don't leave any garlic at all. Make sure you get it all out. If you don't, you lose. See, I won. Okay, next is 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil. Now to send this recipe over the top, we're going to be adding our Marisquera black. We'll go with about 1/2 ounce to add a whole nother depth of flavor and a little kick. Now give all that a quick stir just to combine all these ingredients together. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, so just have that ready for the next step. Next, just get that on the stove under medium heat for a couple minutes until you bring it to a boil. Now mix up your cornstarch with a couple tablespoons of water. Now we'll pour that into the pot, still over medium heat. Stir it well for about 30 to 60 seconds and you'll see the sauce thicken up perfectly. Then just move it off the heat and set it aside. Okay, time to prepare the shrimp and the vegetables for our stir fry. You can use any size shrimp, just make sure they're peeled and deveined. And vegetables are your choice entirely. Use what you like best. So preheat a wok or frying pan with a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil to medium-high heat. Once that's preheated, go ahead and put in your vegetables. Season them with salt and pepper to taste, stir them frequently, and let them cook for just a few minutes until they're done to your liking. Then set them aside. And it's now time for the shrimp, so go ahead and get your pan hot again and add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now gently place the shrimp into the wok and go ahead and cook those for just a few minutes until they turn pink. Once they're no longer translucent, that's a sign that they are done, and you don't want to overcook these. So now it's time to add those vegetables back to the pan. Give it a quick stir and then add the teriyaki sauce to this. Don't forget to save a little bit of this teriyaki sauce for when we plate this up. Just like this. So drizzle the rest of that teriyaki sauce right on top and just serve this up with whatever you like. I've got some rice here. I'm garnishing this with green onion and some sesame seeds just to finish it off. And spoiler alert, this was incredibly delicious. That's it for this one. All the information will be down below. Don't forget till next time to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. See you on the next one.